Hey guys, how to create a slide animation between two activities in Android Studio. It's pretty simple, let's get started. Open a new project and let's edit the main activity layout. Close the emulator, split the code and edit the text, for example, next. Let's increase the size, text size, for example, 80 sp, okay. Next, let's create another activity, right-click on Layout, then New, Activity, Empty Activity, and for example, Exit Activity. Finish, then go to activity main.xml, copy the text view fragment code, go to Activity Exit, split the code, paste the text element, and replace the text the end. Okay. Next, return to activity main.xml and add ID. ID plus ID, XML, text, view. It's good. Next, go to main activity, Kotlin file, find our text view element, while text view equals find view by ID, type is text view, where resource.id.xml text view. Next, set on click listener to our text view dot set on click listener and create the action. Let's start the second activity. To do this, let's create intent equals intent and context is this activity and we need to open exit activity. Write exit activity. The intent is a Java method, so let's write class Java and start the activity with our intent. Let's check, run the application. It's the main activity. Click on text view and we are on a second activity, on an exit activity. It works, but we haven't the slide animation. How to do it? We can use overridePendingTransition method. And here we need to point enter animation and exit animation. How to do this? We need to create an animation directory in resources, right click on resources, then new Android resource directory, choose animation, click OK, and inside an animation folder we need to create two files with enter animation and exit animation. Right click on animation folder, the new animation resource file, enter animation, OK, and exit animation. New animation resource file, exit animation, OK. Now inside this set text, write translate. Next, from xdelta 100% to xdelta 0. Close the tag and let's set a duration of animation. Android duration equals Android, and we can set short animation, medium animation, or long animation. Let's set long animation. Next, copy this code, go to exit animation, paste it here, and instead 100% write 0, and instead 0 write minus 100%. Next, return to main activity and here write resource.animation.enter animation, comma, and resource.animation.exit animation. Okay, let's check, run the application. It's the main activity, tap on text view, and we have the slide animation. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.